Hey, yo, what's up, you guys? Top of the top. Yesterday, I got booked to come on set and cut some talent. Yeah, man, don't want to say too much. Let's get into the video. Right now, GPS is saying about 34 minutes. I'll try to cut that down to 30. So the production sent me a couple images of what the client's hair looks like right now. It's kind of like a fro. They're requesting me to cut it into like a drop fade with like a, not like a flat top, but like that type of situation where it's a drop fade and then it's curled up top and sides are like kind of like flat. And then they also requested me to dye his hair back to black. So definitely gonna make it a nice little video, get some pictures of that, you know what I'm saying? Show y'all what my work looking like. You guys haven't seen me do color yet, so you know what I'm saying? Even though I'm just messing with black, you know what I mean? You get to see my process. So yeah, man, let's get this shit.
So once I pulled up and got inside, the first thing I always do is just lay out everything that I need and make sure that everything is, dressed right and just looks good. So that way, not only can I just move efficiently, but the client can see what I'm about to use and it just sets their mind at ease and they know I'm prepared. After that, I go ahead and set up my lighting. You know what I'm saying? I'm using this Zhiyun light. If you guys want any information on this, I'll make a video about it. And then, I get to work. I've done this haircut plenty of times, so this wasn't like my first time doing this style or anything like that. But I was under a time constraint because they rented this house out to do this production. So you got to move with a quickness and you got to move efficiently when it comes to doing stuff like this for productions because you are on a time limit. In these next couple clips, you'll see me prep his hair, apply the dye. It took about 30 to 40 minutes to see his hair completely turn black. As I was setting up and doing everything else, I had to take that into account too, so that way I can make sure I'm on time. So what I had them do was just make sure the production started a little bit earlier, so that way, we can make sure that we were on time or I finished on time. Finally, you'll see me add these final details. Originally, he didn't want any enhancements, but since he was going to be in a video and the lighting might be harsh and he might just move through different lighting situations, I felt that it was best if the lighting hits his hairline or anything else. It just looks full and, crispy and sharp no matter what situation it's in. So I told him, we should go ahead and do the enhancements, which we did. And I think the cut came out great and it looked great on camera. Chandler was a really dope client to meet, and just, share some conversation. And I'm glad I was able to bring his vision to life. So thank you guys for watching and looking forward to see you guys in the next one. Peace.